How do I ensure my washing machine is getting a water supply? A washing machine may show an error code for a water filling fault. The error is caused by fine particles blocking the inlet filter, which reduces the water flow into the appliance. This error can often be fixed and checked by yourself. First, close the water tap and then run a 40-degree cycle for 40 seconds to release pressure on the hose. After stopping the program, unplug the washing machine. Unscrew and remove the hose using a cloth for a better grip. Then, using a washing up brush, clean out the inlet filter, removing any debris that has accumulated. When finished, carefully reattach the hose. Again, a cloth may improve your grip. Don't use a gripper to fix the screw. You can now turn the appliance back on. Finally, open the water tap and check for any leaks. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.